students need to wear masks. That first and foremost, students need to be masked as well as teachers. We still need to remember hand hygiene and doing all the things that we did during the beginning of the pandemic to help prevent the spread of infection. I would suggest to parents select the mask that the child's going to wear. And while if it was a perfect world, we would all have a high efficiency mask, that's not always realistic. So use the mask that the child is going to wear. Make sure that there is a proper fit. Make sure that the child is going to have it on their face more than they're going to have it off their face. And I think that's one of the strategies that we can employ right now. The other part is ventilation within the school system. And I encourage every parent to ask the school administration, what is the ventilation in the classrooms? What are the plans to make sure that the air exchange is considered good and it's been checked by engineering? These are important things, especially because we know now that COVID is airborne. We need to make sure that we have the proper filters in place and that we're minimizing the airborne transmission of the infection. Those under 12 years old cannot get vaccinated. They are not eligible during for the Pfizer vaccine or any other vaccine at this point. Therefore, we need to take extra caution with them. We want to make sure that those folks are masked. We want to make sure that those around them are vaccinated. And that's what's going to stem this tide. It's going to ensure that those who are vaccinated are going to prevent transmission to the unvaccinated. And that's the key right now. That's what's so important. People, children and adults, should stay home if they feel sick. And we need to be really careful to make sure that we're preventing the spread of all infection, but particularly COVID in these times. So yes, people should, if they're not feeling well, certainly if there's fevers, if there's cough, if there's runny nose, these are hallmark symptoms of COVID. They should stay home and they should sort of just isolate unto themselves until they're feeling better.